You sit there with that look on your face like you won. Like nothing that I say's gonna change how you feel now. You sit there and you tell me you fell out of love, and we are in your way, so you just gotta leave now. And we just need to understand your reasons, and you are gonna justify his treason for telling me the promises that we swore ain't enough. So now you're gonna be another person. And how do I explain this shit to our son? How'd you tell a child about a girlfriend? Daddy's gone. Well, I will be the strongest that he ever knew, and I will be that one he needs to love, strong enough. Don't worry, I will carry your shit for us, no matter how bad the storm. I will be the strongest that he ever knew, and we'll leave you alone. Let's talk about family. Let's talk about family. Let's talk on the ties and the lies and the love that we had in this family. Let's talk about honesty. You know nothing about honesty. Let go of your hands and our plans and the chance that we had with this family.